Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, myself, and our special guest, Jennifer. Our mood inspiration piece I put together. I'm the host for the month of June, and we're honoring fathers, male figures, and the outdoors. I also provided some sketches, and this is the sketch that I chose to use along with this page kit within my kit. And if you want to see my kit reveal, you'll need to go to the June 1st video. I have 3 papers here. The top one is from Pink Fresh Studio. That orange one is from Photo Play, and the cassette tape one is from Echo Park Teen Spirit. Oh, wow, spit that out. All right, so I'm going to take the Photo Play, which is the collection The Moon and Back, and that is going to serve as my base paper. So it's going to stay 12 by 12. I'm going to take the Echo Park Teen Spirit, and I am going to cut that 6 by 12. I will then turn it, cut it 8 by 6, and I am going to use the opposite side as well, which you will see in a minute. But before then, I take the Pink Fresh Studio paper here, and I cut it 6 by 7. I'm pretty sure that's the measurement. And then I'm going to take that 6 by 12 Echo Park. See, I just brought that in. And that's the opposite side of those cassettes. And it says, like, you rock, epic, cool, totally awesome. And I am also going to cut that word side one. I'm going to take 2 inches off. So the exact measurements are going to be 6 by 10. And then I'm going to mat my photographs on black cardstock. But before I do that, I'm trying to figure out where I want my hidden journaling to be. And I decided it needed to be over to the right because I had some empty space there in that lower photograph for doing my embellishment clusters. I apologize, it's choppy right here, but because I gave you all the measurements, I just edited me making more adjustments to the measurement to my paper sizes. I'm sorry, so I just edited out. So now I got out my embellishments that was in my page kit, and I have this orange gator, and I'm going to tuck that in very carefully to make sure that I don't impede my hidden journaling, so that I can slide my tag in and out easily, and you'll see that towards the end. Right now you see me figuring out how far I want my hidden journaling bag to be peeking out, how much I want to use it as part of my cluster. So I'm going to bring back the photograph, bring back the gator. I'm going to tuck a little oblong tag in, and it'll say celebrate today. You'll see that in just a second. I know I'm a little ahead of myself. And then I'm going to jump to the upper right photograph. So the top photograph, I'm going to do a cluster to the upper right, and that's going to kind of be my title. So see here, I'm jumping up over here, and so I have that embellishment that says dance like nobody's watching, and then I have that chipboard that says go. I place that up there, and then I jump back down. Sometimes I do this with my clusters. I will jump around. Sometimes I stick to just that cluster and finish it off, and then other times when I'm not sure, that's why you'll see me jumping around between my clusters. I decide that I like that round embellishment die cut piece with the heart right there. So I have like 3 elements right there. Then I have this sticker of a camper, which was perfect because we were at a birthday party, and some of the guests, it was up in the mountains, and of course we have a little mountain retreat place up there, and some of us have campers, some have small little cabins, And so that's why I put that camper there. Not that it mattered, because basically I'm all about the color orange for this layout. Then I have this other tab or word phrase, I'm sorry, die cut, and it says never stop smiling. Then I have a puffy word that says happy. So I have that little cluster. It's making me happy. I'm just really pleased with all my clusters. And I brought back the sketch just so that you have a comparison of what I'm doing. It was in the beginning, and I brought it back and over there on the right hand corner. Now I jump back up here where I have my chipboard and my die cut piece, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to use this as my title. So I get out my alpha words, letters, these small ones, and put U. So my title is You Two Go Dance Like Nobody's Watching. And I'm determined to use everything in this little page kit. So I had that wavy type banner, and I tucked that in to bring your eye up there where the title is. I got out my Heidi Swap Color Shine in black, and I was just going to add a little bit of splatters down there by the gator. And then I had that open space. You see where it says go? Because I was originally going to do my journaling there, and then decided, no, I have this hidden journaling spot. So I didn't want two places with journaling. So I decided to add splatters there, and you'll see that in a minute. That was an afterthought. All right. Be sure to go check out all the other ladies, Mini Kit Monday ladies, and our guest, Jennifer. Go show them some love. Give them some thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, not just to my channel, but to all of our channels. We would love to have you join us over at our Facebook group site, and I will have the link listed below, which will also tell you how you can play along. I went in depth on my kit reveal about how you can play along. So if you didn't see that video, go back to my channel and go to June 1st Mini Kit Monday kit reveal. And I go in complete depth of how you can participate and play along and possibly win a curated kit. All right, I'm just showing you that I have 3 clusters, and how those clusters will your eye around the photograph, so that you're sure to enjoy my brother-in-law dancing with another friend. So anyway, here are the close-ups, the still shots. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and keep coming back. Bye.